gente, y esto estamos aquí en otro nuevo video para el canal.
Do you think they saw us?
Estamos aquí en The Walking Dead otra vez.
Definitely.
Lo dejamos en el capítulo anterior donde entramos a esta escuela muy extraña.
What the hell happened here? I thought
Y
this
pues
place was
vamos
supposed
a
to be
ello.
secure.
What always happens, I guess. In the end, the dead always win.
Oh man, we are so screwed.
No, this is good.
What? How the fuck is this good?
Before, everyone at Crawford was smart and they had guns. Now they're dumb, they don't. Hey, trying to look on the bright side here.
I agree. So long as we don't let them box us in, we can still do this. The plan hasn't changed. The plan hasn't changed? Every time walkers show up, the plan changes. Do you even have any idea how many of them are out there?
No. You want to do a head count? Or do you want to get what we need and get the hell out of here? Come on. I think I know which way to head.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Uf, ok. Vamos a ello. Ni de loco entramos ahí.
Just keep moving.
Here.
Looks okay. Everybody in.
Okay. Armory. Es armería.
Figures.
Looks like they were using this room as some kind of command center.
Okay, so now what? Where do we start looking?
Here. Just give me a sec.
Motor pool. Batería.
Any idea where we could find a battery?
Maybe at the auto shop. There used to be one in the alley outside the fire escape.
Yep, it's called Herman's. You can't miss it.
Herman's. Medicina.
Where would be the best place to look for medicine?
Right here. Nurse's station. They were using it as a medical facility.
Okay.
How do you know that?
Just makes sense, doesn't it?
Tengo el presentimiento que esta
Where
haya
should
ido
I start
aquí.
looking?
Mali.
There's a maintenance shed across from the playground here. If they were storing fuel, that's probably where it'll be.
Okay, I'll make the run to the maintenance shed for the fuel.
It'll be faster if I go with you. I can take you right to it.
I'll come too. No, 2 people's enough. You stay here, see if you can use any of those tools we brought to get that armory door open. We might need to shoot our way out of here.
I'll go for the medicine.
I'll come with you. I know what to take.
Okay. Guess that leaves me to go find us a battery.
I'll go with you. Watch your back.
Okay, we've got a plan. Everyone be careful. Stay close to one another. We'll all meet back here. Good luck.
Okay. Alright.
What about me? What can I do?
I need you to stay here with Ben and watch over our command center. I'm putting you in charge of it, okay?
You're leaving me with Ben?
I'm not leaving you with Ben. I'm leaving him with you. Understand?
Oh, okay.
Back before you know it.
No entendí esa referencia. Seguro que Clem le entendió más que yo. Vamos a hablar con Clem. Clem. What's up?
You okay, Clem?
Yeah. This desk is just like the ones we have in my school. I know it's weird, but I kinda miss it, being in school.
Yo también. Yo quiero ir a la escuela. Ya quiero dejar esta clase online.
It's not weird at all. So do I.
You haven't been in school since forever.
Hey, I'm not that old. And I used to be a teacher, remember? American history.
Do you think things will ever be normal again? Just like the way they were before?
I
No
don't
lo
think so,
creo.
Clem. I think the best we can hope for is that we'll find a way to survive, to stay together, and to not let this change us. That's what's important.
I guess you're right.
Aunque los militares encuentren una corra, o los científicos, estamos chill. Pero creo que no. Ok. ¿Aquí hay algo o no? Ahí ni me quiero acercar.
The alleyway to the auto shop's down here. You coming or not?
Sí. Voy para allá. Coño. Molly. ¿Dónde se fue esta?
This must be the door to the alleyway where the auto shop is. But where the hell is Molly?
Escuché una puerta cerrarse bien fuerte. Creo que se fue Molly por aquí.
Molly, you out here?
Uf, cuidado, no hagas tanto ruido que despierta a los zombies.
Going that way.
Y los zombies se ponen mala leche.
Auto shop must be down this way.
Ok. Coño. Ese era Molly, supongo. ¿Eso aguantará? Yo creo. Sí aguantó. Ok. Salta. Bien. Puerta del garaje.
Damn, it's jammed tight.
Coño.
Better not get too close.
¿Qué? ¿Y ahora qué? ¡Coño!
Leave him! He's mine.
Where the hell have you been? Molly? Molly!
What?
I think you got it.
One more.
What the fuck?
He's wearing medical scrubs. Some kind of scientist or doctor, maybe?
Yeah, well, he ain't shit now. Did you find us a way in?
Yeah, but the garage door's
What the
jammed.
fuck? ¿Qué le
Can't
pasa a
raise it.
Molly? Coño, con el gancho.
Not a problem. Look what I found.
Mejor.
Oh yeah, that'll work.
Oh, ok. Hay que apurarnos, pero ya. Así. No sé si se va a romper.
Come on!
Mierda. ¡A romper la tecla! Ok, vamos. Entre. ¡Sigue vivo! Coño.
Take a look around. I'll make sure no stragglers get under this door.
Vale.
That blinking must be an anti-theft system. Good chance of a working battery being in that car. If I can find a way to get up there.
Esto es para bajar el auto, ¿no? Supongo.
No power.
Vale, lo que me faltaba.
It's locked. No way in.
Coño, es una batería, ¿verdad?
Well, I can see where the battery should be, but it's not.
Perfect.
Puta. Coño, debe de estar ahí.
I can't reach it up there. Good chance of a working battery being in that car. If I can find a way to get up there.
Oli.
Something you need?
What was all that about back there?
He came at me up on that rooftop. Tried to take a bite out of me, so I took care of business. What, you got a problem with me killing geeks?
No. It just seemed like you went to town on him a little more than you needed to.
Hey, you never really know when those things are all the way dead. I was just making sure. Look, you want to get this battery or not? Time's wasting.
So why did you decide to help us?
I told you. I'm expecting a ride on that boat once that hillbilly friend of yours has got it running.
You sure that's all of it?
You want to keep interrogating me? Or do you want to get the damn battery and get out of here?
What do you think happened to Crawford?
Don't know, don't care. As far as I'm concerned, these fuckers got what was coming to them.
Not a lot of sympathy for all the people who died here, huh?
I have about as much for them as they did for the sick and the old and anyone else they didn't think was fit to belong in their little paradise. So yeah, fuck them.
I'm going to have a look around.
You do that.
Ok. Vamos a ver qué podemos encontrar por aquí.
It's the panel that controls the hydraulic lift over there. No power.
Sé que no hay electricidad. Coño, ¿y qué hago?
Looks like Crawford had their own semi-trucks. Looks like Crawford already used this battery for something else.
Coño, dile a Molly que te preste la mierda esa.
Something you need?
I'm going to have a look around.
You do that.
Coño, algo.
Good chance of a working battery being in that car. If I can find a way.
Lo sé, necesito algo.
I can't reach it up there.
Something you need?
I'm going to have a look around.
You do that.
Looks like Crawford already used this battery for
Ya
something
dijiste
else.
eso, Lee. Coño, ¿y qué hago? Porque aquí no hay...
I can't reach it up there. Looks like it's the hose for the lift hydraulics.
¡Ah! Era esto. Me cago en su verga.
Don't think I can pry that hose apart with just my hands. Maybe if I had something to cut it with.
Lo de Molly. Molly, ¿me prestas un momento tu cosita?
Something you need?
Think I can borrow that hook thing of yours?
I don't know. Hilda and I have been through a lot together.
Hilda?
That's what I call her. Don't judge.
Please, can I borrow Hilda? I'll take good care of her. She won't get a scratch.
I got your promise now. Not a scratch.
Vale. Coño, por fin.
I did it. Whoa, whoa!
That's probably not good.
No shit!
I'll try to hold him off. Hurry!
There's the battery.
Ok, ahí está la batería. Ya la vi, ya la vi, ya.
Still attached to the...
¡Coño, sí, lo sé!
Still attached to the terminals. Still attached to the terminals. It's off. Got that one off.
¡Vámonos!
Got it.
Yeah, but we still got a problem here. Put it in here. I'll carry it. Okay, follow me.
Coño, Lee, pero
Move
corre.
your ass.
Coño, pero corre, no camine. Parece Pedro por su casa.
Great, now what?
Skylight.
It's shut.
Shoot it out.
Coño, voy.
Okay, so now we're on a roof.
Ever stop complaining? Come on. Come on, what are you, chicken? Jump.
Calla.
What did you
¿Gallina?
call me? Well, now that you mention it,
Dale, Lee, no eres gallina. Corre. Uf. Bien. Vamos.
come on.
Later. Something I gotta do first.
What?
Catch you later.
Wait, you've still got the battery.
Yeah, I think I'll hold on to it. Make sure you don't leave without me. See you back in class.
Molly! Damn it, what the hell is she doing?
¿Qué cojones hace? O sea, ¿sabe?
Can't open it without the combination.
¿Qué pasó?
You guys need any help?
Thanks, but I think we're almost in.
We're taking care of it, Lee. Don't worry.
You sure you two don't need any help?
We're taking care of it, Lee. Don't worry.
Ok. Pues que se jodan.
Can't open it without the combination.
Ok. Vamos a ver qué hay acá. Seguramente acá es lo del sí. Entonces vamos a hacer aquí.
Molly, You there?
No creo que
Can't reach it.
subas.
It's too high up.
Ok. Vámonos para acá.
Little help!
What the fuck?
Here!
¡A romper el teclado!
The doors won't close all the way!
Wait, do something!
Toma.
We got it!
Break the door with something!
¡A romper el teclado!
That'll hold.
Damn well better.
You got the fuel.
Let's not start high-fiving each other just yet. Let's get the hell back to the classroom. What's a hand with these fuel cans? They weigh a goddamn ton.
Uf. Que Tencito tenía ahí algo. Que Tenso estaba afuera.
Yeah, we made out pretty good, too. Great work, Kenny. How you doing with that door? Not so good. Here, let me give you a hand. Did you get that battery yet?
Yeah, Molly has it. She should be back here soon.
She'd better be.
Molly, ¿qué haces con la batería? ¿Quieren hablar de algo?
What do we still need?
We already got the fuel and the battery. Once we find some medicine, we'll be good to go.
So where's this battery you found?
Molly has it. She ran off to do something.
Well, she'd better bring it back here. I don't know why you trusted that girl with it. We hardly know her.
She saved your life, didn't she?
Yeah, but what has she done for me lately?
Okay.
No, wait. There is something you can help me with. Something that's been on my mind. I could use your opinion.
What is it?
It's Kenny. Since I've been helping him work on the boat, I've gotten to know him a little better. He's a good guy, you know? And it's eating me up knowing what I know. I've been thinking about telling him the truth.
Ben, come on. This again?
It's my fault Duck and Katya got killed. If I hadn't screwed up back at the motor,
Está ahí,
I'd still be
está ahí Kenny,
How am I
está ahí
supposed to
Kenny,
explain
está ahí
this?
Kenny. No hables en voz alta.
Ben, no offense, but have you lost your motherfucking mind? Kenny's barely hanging on. You tell him you're to blame? I don't even want to think about what he might do.
I know. I've thought about that. But I don't know how much longer I can keep looking him in the eye. I feel like I'm lying to him by not telling him.
I'm telling you, man, it's a bad idea. Real bad.
Hey, maybe you're okay walking around with somebody's blood on your hands, but that's not who I am. I can't just pretend it never happened.
Look,
Coño, se picó un poco.
we need him to hold his shit together if we're ever gonna get out of here. So you need to keep this to yourself, for the good of everyone. You hear me?
I hear you. I'm gonna get back to this.
Se picó un poco. Ok. ¿Qué pasa, Brie?
Bree?
Hey, Lee. Thanks for all your help back there. I don't think we would have made it without you.
No problem. We're all on the same team. I'll be back. Got some things to do.
Había mucho texto ahí, mucho texto. No me quería aquí tardar 34 horas de video. Vamos a ver cómo va esta gente. Krista y no sé cómo se llama el otro. Casquillos.
Already
Coño.
been fired. They're worthless.
Son balas de escopeta, ¿no?
Shit.
¿What? ¿De dónde salieron?
Kristen Vernon must be trapped in there.
Hola. Venga.
What the hell happened?
They wandered into the hallway after we got inside. I think they must have heard us rooting around in here. The whole
Fuck.
place is infested. They're everywhere.
Calm down. I took care of them. What about the meds? Did we find what we need?
Yeah, that's our other problem. Take a look.
Oh, mierda.
Looks like they were keeping all the prescription meds in that safe, locked up tight.
Maybe we should try looking somewhere else for medicine.
In Crawford? This place is too overrun. No, that safe is our best chance. Yeah, it'd be a hell of a lot quicker if we just knew the 4-digit combination.
Well, I doubt they just wrote it down and left it here for us to find. We should just try busting it open. We don't have any other choice.
Okay, you get started. I'll take a look around, see if I can find anything useful.
Ok. Ok. Archivo de médico. Coño.
Anna Correa. She must have been a patient here. What's this?
Coño, ¿verdad? ¿Qué saldrá de esto?
Vernon, Krista, come look at this.
This is day 82 since the outbreak. 1547. Dr. Logan in consultation with patient Anna Correa.
Why are you recording this?
Regulations. Oberson has ordered me to keep records of all medical examinations and consultations. I need you to brace yourself, Anna. The sonogram confirms that you're pregnant.
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
¿Ese no es el
As
doctor
you
que
know,
mató a
the rules
Molly?
are very clear. The termination is mandatory.
You don't have to tell them. Tell them it was just nausea.
Es silly.
Like you gave me something for it and it went away. This is my problem, not yours.
If Oberson finds out that I concealed evidence of a pregnancy, I'm sorry, but these are the rules. I'm gonna give you a sedative. It'll make the procedure easier on you.
I don't want the procedure. I want my baby. I can't do this. I can't do this.
Anna, you don't have a choice. Now, if you like, you can take some time with this, but I need you to come back no later than tomorrow, or I'll have no choice but to inform Oberson myself. I'm sorry.
Vamos. Oh, mierda. Uf, qué fuerte.
Damn it, we almost had it.
What the hell kind of place was this?
Like Molly said, the worst kind.
Lee, maybe there's another tape. We gotta keep looking.
I think I recognize that doctor. He was one of the walkers out in the alley by the auto shop.
Maybe you should search him, see what he's got on him.
Ok, vamos al callejón otra vez.
I was busy thinking about